how to sell a course on Whop. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can sell a course on Whop. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to sell a course on Whop, you have to follow these steps. Firstly, create your account via one of Whop's numerous sign-up options. Next, you will need to create your store on Whop. When you set up Whop, you will have a store page where people can view all goods you have for sale, whether that be courses or one of the many other product types supported on Whop. When creating your store, you will be asked to enter an appropriate name and tags to help people discover your products. Once your account is set up, configure your billing settings so you can get paid. Now you can create your course and get ready to release it to the public. Navigate to Whop's course dashboard and click the New Course button. This will bring you to Whop's intuitive course builder. Firstly, you'll want to set an appropriate course title, and if you don't have a fancy custom graphic as the image for your course, you can just click Randomize Image to pick a beautiful image from Whop's library. Whop also allows you to split your course into different chapters. And Whop allows you to have text-based lessons and upload video content and other attachments, images, course material, PDF files, etc. to ensure you can cover all bases and provide the best possible experience to your course members. Now that you've created your course, it's time to review what you've created and improve it to ensure your customers are happy. You can use the Preview as Student button on Whop's course dashboard to go through the course as a student. Next thing is choosing the right price for your course. When you add your course to a product on Whop, as discussed in the next chapter, you can select which lesson chapters are included in each pricing tier. For example, you may choose a free plan that includes some basic introductory lessons so people can get a taste of your course's style, or you may choose to have a basic plan with some lessons and an advanced plan with all the lessons. Now, the last thing, publishing your course. Firstly, you must create a new product on your seller dashboard by clicking the New Product button. Now that you have a product, you must link your course to it. Doing this is very simple. Navigate to your course and scroll until you see the Add Course to Product button on the right hand side. Once you have done this, add a detailed description by clicking the Add Description button. That's it, you're done. Your product is now available via Whop. You can share the product link with anyone you like. So that's how you can sell a course on Whoop. That's all for this video.